Hey folks, Mike Stone back again with another video installment, this time to talk to you about seats. We offer a wide, vast array of different seats and different textures and fabrics that we can use. Here you see the high back seats here with the contour. We also offer many different types of fabrics for use in the seat construction. Many different colors, different textures, different feels. We also offer some more primal stuff, maybe if you like alligator skin in different dyed colors, we do that. And we also have ostrich skin we can do seat covers in. If that's not your bag, follow me over here. We'll take a look at these seats. These are two-tone vinyl seat covers. A little more of the average that you see around. We can get these in many different colors and patterns. All you got to do is give us a call at 833-CartsMD. Thanks.